In today's ELA, English Language Arts lesson, we will be doing our close reading and adjectives assignment 2, adjective review. Remember that adjectives describe how many, what color, the size, many different things. They describe a noun in that regard. In this lesson, you will learn the different ways that an adjective can describe a noun in a sentence. Adjectives usually answer the question, how many, what kind, or which one. Practice finding adjectives or adding them to a sentence that needs detail. You are going to identify adjectives in a sentence and a passage. Interpret adjectives to determine what question they answer in a sentence or passage. And construct a sentence with adjectives in a series. Remember, an adjective can tell how many, what kind, or which one. Many adjectives that describe how many. You could have any number, such as 1 or 3. The example, the teacher asked 6 questions. How many? 6. 6 is the adjective. All right. How about this? Several bugs got into the swimming pool. Several is how many, but it's not as specific as like 1 or 2 or 3. Some adjectives describe what kind, like what the color is. And we can remember Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue, indigo, and violet. Plus all other colors like gray, white, black, brown, pink, purple. Oh, I said purple because indigo and violet are kind of purple, but size. Big, little, massive, miniature, petite. Size, what size describes something is an adjective. Looks, how it looks, like bald or fancy, handsome, glamorous. Those are all what kind of adjective. Okay, so this is a typical way that you would see maybe a sentence with an adjective. The red sunburn looked like it hurt. I got sunburned today. So the sunburn is the noun. Well, what's describing the sunburn? Red. Red sunburn. The red sunburn, so this is the adjective, look like it hurt. Okay, so there's another way that this can be seen as an adjective, but in a different way, and it's a state of being. This sunburn is red. So sunburn is the noun again, but red is the state in which the sunburn is. So this is the adjective, but it's just in a different place than right beside it. So you have to look out for those ones. Okay, then we have the which one adjective can tell which one. So which person, which place, or which thing. So here I remember we just did the lesson with ER and EST. So ER-E-S-T. So the older cat is sick. This is a true sentence. We just got the new kitten, but the older cat is very sick. And oh, it's very sad. And I'm just torn up over it, boys and girls, because I love my kitty cat. But the noun is cat. And the adjective is older. It's describing the cat. Okay? Now down here, the biggest chick flew. Well, that's another true sentence. I have my chickens and the biggest chick, I put it in the bin to come back into the brooding box tonight, and it flew out of the container that I carry it in. So this is the noun chick, and biggest describes the chick. So that EST and that ER, those are adjectives. This, these, and those can also be used as adjectives. For example, can you hand me those papers? All right, so papers is the noun. What papers? Those papers. The person's probably pointing. So those is describing the papers. These cupcakes are yummy. Cupcakes is the noun. Well, what cupcakes? The chocolate cupcakes, the strawberry cupcakes, what cupcakes? These cupcakes. So it's being used as an adjective in this one. I don't like this dress. Dress is the noun. What dress? This dress. So this is the adjective in this sentence. Sometimes pronouns can be used as adjectives as well. For example, my, his, her, its, your, our. They can all tell which one. I love his shoes. Which shoes? Shoes is the noun. His shoes. I stubbed my toe. Which toe? My toe is the adjective. We rode in our car. Car is the noun. Our is the adjective. It's describing what car? Our car. Nouns in a series. I am wearing my pajamas. Because I'm doing the video the night before. So I am wearing my pajamas. I am wearing my llama pajamas. So when it's just one adjective describing the pajamas, I don't need a comma. I am wearing my llama pajamas. I am wearing my colorful llama pajamas. So since I have the adjective colorful and llama, I need to put a comma in between those two adjectives. I am wearing my summer colorful llama pajamas. So here, this one has a lot of adjectives in it. I am wearing my soft, comma, summer, comma, colorful, comma, llama pajamas. Question 1. An adjective tells about a. Adjectives describe what? Question 2. Find the adjective in the following sentence. Do not choose an article. Then choose the question that the adjective answers. Sadie has several necklaces. What is the adjective? Okay. Those are your choices. Sadie, necklaces, and several. And is that answering how many, which one, or what kind? Question 3. Find the adjective in the following sentence. Do not choose an article. Then choose the question that the adjective answers. We listened to both stories. All right, which of those is the adjective? We listened to both stories. Which one's the adjective? And what question is being answered? What kind, which one, or how many? Question 4. Find the adjective in the following sentence. Do not choose an article. Then choose a question that the adjective answers. Aunt Karen lives in a brick house. Question 5. Trisha has a few mittens. Choose the adjective and then what question is being answered. Question 6. Tay lives on the right side of the road. Choose the adjective and then choose the question that is being answered. Question 7. Whitney won the sack race. Choose the adjective and the question that is being answered. Question 8. Find the adjective in the following sentence. I always enjoy the first bite. Find the adjective and then the question by the adjective. Question 9. What are the adjectives in the following sentence? The new student wore a blue shirt today. There are 2. Is it new and today? Shirt and today? Blue and shirt? Blue and new. Question 10. What are the adjectives in the following sentence? The black dog jumped over the wooden fence. Fence and the, dog and wooden and black, jumped in black. Question 11. Rewrite each sentence to include an adjective in front of each noun. The cat purred. So you're going to retype that sentence, but you're going to describe the cat. The something cat purred. You're going to do the same thing with number 2. The dog barked. What kind of dog barked? The car went fast. What kind of car went fast? It could be what kind, what color, how many. Any of those questions can be answered. The boys came to the party. Something describing boys. The girls took a trip. Something describing girls. The house needs paint. Something describing house. And the doll has a dress. Something describing doll. You're going to retype those all down here and add in the adjective for each one of those.